Hello and welcome to the HelloID Service Automation Product Release video for August 2025. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution, empowering organizations by delegating user management tasks like group management and distribution group delegation. Delegating management of shared resources is another key feature. This aids its departments in preventing the accumulation of unnecessary licenses and access rights, enhancing overall efficiency and security. Please note that this video highlights only the new features in the August 2025 release. For more videos, visit docs.helloid.com or check out our YouTube channel. Let's dive in. We'll start with a PowerPoint presentation before moving on to demonstrate the new functionalities for the August 2025 release. In this release, we're introducing the Recertification Administration screen for HelloID administrators. As an end user, it was already possible to view and handle the recertification requests that apply to you. However, certain situations may arise where a HelloID administrator needs to step in. For example, if no manager is assigned to a user, or if a responsible approver is temporarily unavailable. Starting with this release, that's now possible through the new Recertification Administration screen available on the admin side of HelloID. If you have the right permissions, you'll be able to view all open recertification requests across the environment and handle them directly, regardless of the original workflow or ownership. To use these recertification features, a HelloID governance module license is required. Let's dive into a demonstration of the new feature. We've opened the recertification request overview from the perspective of an end user. In this example, our end user is Morgan Parker, who currently has 3 open recertification requests. Of course, across the organization, there will likely be many more requests pending for various managers and resource owners. Now, if an approval workflow gets stuck, for example, because an employee no longer has a manager assigned, or the responsible manager or resource owner is temporarily unavailable, this release introduces something new: Recertification Administration. This new feature lives on the admin side of HelloID, so let's navigate there now. We've opened the new Recertification Administration screen in the admin panel of HelloID. Here, you'll see all open recertification requests across your HelloID environment. In our case, there are 28 open items, as shown at the bottom of the overview. To use this new screen, we've introduced a new HelloID permission. We'll look at that permission shortly. First, the overview itself. It offers the same search and filter options you're familiar with for the end user view. But the key difference is that here, admins can handle all open requests directly, even if they're not part of the original approval workflow. This also means that all remaining steps in the approval workflow will be skipped. Let's approve the top request as an example. You can do this by clicking Approve or Deny on the right-hand side. Or, if you prefer, select one or more records and use the Bulk Approve or Bulk Deny buttons at the bottom. Let's fill in a sample comment. For example, Approval checked with Resource Owner, and approve the recertification request. As you can see, the request we just processed has now disappeared from the overview because it's no longer pending. Like we mentioned earlier, a new permission is required to access and use this functionality. To configure that, we navigate to Security, Roles, and we'll use the example Role Recertification Admin role. Under Rights, you'll see all the options under Recertification Management are selected. The new right we've added is at the bottom of that list, called Manage Recertification Requests. Once this right is assigned to your account, you'll gain access to the new admin screen and be able to manage all open requests from the admin side of HelloID. To verify the results of the approval we just completed, we'll head over to Self-Service Request History. The request was for the product back office read, and it was for Byron Chapman, currently the top record in the list. If we click Open Details, you'll see in the request timeline bottom card that the Tools Forever Administrator approved the request from the Recertification Administration page. As we conclude this overview of the latest HelloID release, we hope you're as excited as we are about these enhancements and new features. They're designed to streamline your experience Improve security and ensure your system's integrity with advanced configurations and mappings. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for choosing HelloID for your identity and access management needs.